welcome to Lynn's Recipes. Today I'm going to make lemon bars. This is a recipe that I got off of the Food Network over 10 years ago from a show called Calling All Cooks when we tried it and we really enjoyed it. These are the ingredients that you're going to need to make the crust and the topping for the lemon bars. You'll need 2 cups of softened butter, a cup of granulated sugar, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a cup and a quarter of old-fashioned oatmeal. Now that's the crust and the topping. Now moving on, for the filling you'll need a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, the juice of 3 lemons, the zest of 2 lemons, and the zest of an orange. I'm going to start this recipe out by making my crust and my topping. And what I've done is put my 2 sticks of softened butter in a mixing bowl, and I'm going to add my sugar and I'm going to cream this together until it's light and fluffy. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is add my flour and my oatmeal. I'm going to beat this until it's well incorporated. I'm going to start on a slow speed so it doesn't go all over the kitchen, and then we'll speed it up. Okay, our crust and topping is mixed together. Now this is a very crumbly mixture, and that's the way it's supposed to be. So now I'm going to mix the filling together. So I have another bowl here, and I'm going to pour my sweetened condensed milk into the bowl. Try to get it all out of there. Then I'm going to add my lemon juice and my zest. That's the lemon zest, and here's the orange zest. Okay, I'm going to grab a whisk and I'm going to whisk it all together. Just making sure it's all mixed smoothly and evenly. And I think that's good. So I'm going to set that aside for just a minute. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a 9 by 13 inch pan that I've sprayed with cooking spray. And I'm going to use my hands, and I'm going to take about 2/3 to 3/4 of this mixture and press it in the bottom of my baking pan. And this will form our crust. A little bit more for the corner over there. Now I'm just going to press until I feel like it's pretty even. Just a little more here. And this is what it should look like. And now I'm going to pour my filling over the top of it. I'm just going to spread it evenly over the crust. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the rest of our crust and topping mixture and just sprinkle it like a streusel on top of the filling. try to get it even and some of the top all covered, where you have the topping on most every part of the lemon mixture. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to bake this in a preheated 350-degree oven for 30 to 35 minutes. When it's golden on top, we'll take it out. Our lemon bars are done. I baked them for 35 minutes, and this is what they look like. And now I'm going to put them in a cooling rack for at least an hour to let them cool before we slice them. Our lemon bars have cooled for an hour, and now I'm going to slice them and put them on a plate. And we cut them. We're going to cut them in 1-inch squares. This is really rich, so you don't really need a lot. So I'm just going to try to make them little squares to put on the plate. Just cut down through the crust. First one out. The first one's always the hardest. On the plate. One. So these are my lemon bars. I hope you enjoy them.